So my brothers and sisters, by praying for others, we would actually be invoking the blessings of the Almighty upon ourselves. The hadith says the angels would pray for you similarly. So if you ask the Almighty for goodness for someone else, the angels are saying, oh Allah, grant that person goodness as well, because they care for everyone else. And this is why those who care for others the most lead the happiest of lives. You want to be happy? Reach out to others. You want to be sad? Become selfish. Think about yourself. Now it's all about myself, me and I, me, myself and I, as they say. If that's the case, we lead a very depressed life, even if we're wealthy, even if we're healthy, even if we're good looking, even if we're on authority. The reason why we become depressed, we don't reach out to others. When we reach out to others, we are the happiest of people.
Life will throw, we can conquer if we stand together. So let's stand together.